Hey everybody, welcome to TechMart Gaming and Reviews, and in today's video, I'm going to be installing this Spigen matte screen protector for my Tesla Model Y. And just so you know, this also works with the Tesla Model 3 if you own one. This anti-glare screen protector is clutch for reducing eye strain and screen glare while you're driving on the road. I actually live in a sunny state and the sun is out all year round, so this is going to come in handy. I'm going to show you what's inside the box, walk you through the installation process, and give you a quick look of the final results. Now before I get into it, be sure to smash that like button and comment below and let me know what cars you guys are driving. Is it an EV or do you still have a gas vehicle? And if you want to see more Tesla content, then be sure to hit that subscribe button so I can be recommended to more tech and car enthusiasts like yourself. In the meantime, let's get into the video. The first thing that we need to do is put the Tesla screen into cleaning mode so it doesn't register any touches during the installation. First, you're going to click the button at the bottom left corner and you're going to scroll down until you see display, and inside that sub menu, you should see screen cleaning mode. You can click that button and you will see a black screen with a whole bunch of fingerprints on it. So now we're going to clean it down with the wipes that was provided before we install the screen protector. So make sure that you wipe this down thoroughly. This is going to basically get the fingerprints and the dust off of it before we install this screen protector kit. It also comes with dust stickers just in case you're still having troubles with keeping the screen clean. Moving along, we got our installation kit, and as you guys can see, this is going to be pretty easy and simple. First thing that you need to do is peel off the back of the protector, and then you're going to go ahead and pop this on the screen. So it's basically going to have this adhesive that's going to keep it on. Now from the top right down to the bottom left, you're going to swipe your finger so this thing can actually install correctly. After 30 seconds, you can remove the guide strip and the installation frame, followed by the top protective layer. Now if you see bubbles, there's actually a tool that comes in the box so you can get those small air pockets out. Just take your time, move slowly, and at the end, the results is going to be way more cleaner. And once you're done, you can press and hold this button and it's going to take you out of screen cleaning mode, and voila, you should be all good to go. And I gotta say, the screen just feels a lot more better whenever I'm pressing or sliding my finger on it, and it barely shows any fingerprints or sun glare, which is pretty cool. It's perfect for driving, and even if you're parked just watching YouTube videos or streaming a movie, you don't have to be annoyed with the reflection in a way. If you guys are interested, then I'll leave a link in the description. And if you found this video valuable, be sure to smash that like button and comment below and let me know what EVs or gas vehicles that you guys are driving right now. And if you haven't already, subscribe to TechMart Gaming and Reviews so I can be recommended to more car and tech enthusiasts like yourself. In the meantime, I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care. Deuces.